Let me show you how to change the Instagram grid layout. Instagram recently changed the grid layout, but it does give you the ability to adjust and modify that grid. I'll show you how to do it. Now, within Instagram on your iPhone or Android, they made a recent change essentially where the grid is no longer squares, but now it is rectangles. And you might want to go back to it looking like a square instead of a rectangle. You can always adjust that for each individual photo and video. And on here, all we need to do is go to the adjust preview option. So on here, you can see I can take my finger and I can swipe it around, but I can also choose fit. And this will switch it back to a rectangular view. I can change the background however I want as well. Now, after I've done that, you'll be able to see it changes the look and feel, but it's still in a rectangular box around all of these photos and videos. Now, keep in mind, if you want to change the order of this layout, the only real option is to just pin these to your grid. So you can see as I pin certain photos and videos, essentially it will change the order of these and push any of the recent ones down. There's no real other way to change the order of them. Essentially, they're chronological apart from the ones that you pin at the beginning. But again, you can always just go to any of these and adjust them whether you want it to fill and whether you don't necessarily like where it automatically chose to capture that specific photo or video. You can always just update that so that it has the look and feel that you want on your Instagram page.